How to make N8n account. If you guys are new, N8n is a open source workflow automation tool that you can use to automate your different tasks by connecting different apps and services without the need of heavy code and much more. Now, in order to make an account on it, just go and Google N8n and here start your free trial. You can self-host it. You can go and use this locally on your Windows as well. And you can use their cloud service, which is paid. So you can, in these three ways, you can go and use this platform. So to begin, I'm just gonna go and click on get started. And here, put in your information and click on start free 14-day trial. So to do that, just fill in this information and you're good to go. After that, you'll need to answer some of the questions that they will ask you. And once we're done with that, it will take you to this kind of dashboard, which is the main dashboard of N8n. And here you can create workflows, you can create credentials to connect apps and services. You can see your executions, all of the work that you will do on this platform. And on the left side bar, you'll find tons of things that to discover. For example, templates. Head over to templates and here you will find workflow templates different that you can use if they fulfill your needs. So there's much more as this is open source platform. So you can go and do much more on this. Well, that's how you can go and quickly create an account to use N8n and get a hold of it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.